Hi, my name is Kristen DeBenko, and I'm a senior PM in the ecosystem stage in the foundations group at GitLab. This is our 14.9 kickoff. So for this release, we're going to have laser focus on getting ahead of the 300 component migration that's happening. So I think a lot of the issues have already been picked up. There might be 2 left that haven't been assigned. We need to get more in the backlog for the rest of the company. So the team has prioritized alerts, avatars, accordion, and spinner for this release. And when we do that, we should build up that whole backlog so the 300 issues should be there for this release 2 and 3 of the quarter for the rest of the company. Another thing we're focused on with these is we are moving the accessibility audit epics into each one. So we're going to try to go out with the migration with the accessibility audit recommendations already in the migration plan for each of those. So the engineers are going to evaluate them. They're going to see how much effort it takes to get the accessibility parts into that. And then hopefully all of those will go out with the migration plans. If something is too complex, we may push it to later, or if we think we could ship it later and have it be not too big of a deal, we'll do that. But the goal is to get as much of it in as we can. The reason we want to put those accessibility audits in, and just want to mention this, I learned this week. Our goal is to get a passing voluntary product accessibility template. And what this does is it would unblock some of our government customers who need to have 508 standards adhered to and accessibility be the priority. Also, just as a team, we want to make sure that we're being accessible for everyone. So it's really important to have that baked in our pajamas offering. So that's the push on components and pajamas. The other UX goal that we have is to make a better filter bar user experience. This has been ongoing. We do have an epic open where all of the top feedback from users is now all together, which is really cool. You can scroll through this and see everything. If you run into an issue with it, come and have a look at this epic and just see if it's been documented here. All of these will be translated to action plans, and we'll get them into pajamas and make that experience better. We have, though, prioritized one bug that is from dog fooding, GitLab. Josh actually submitted this about a month ago, and that is clearing a token from GL filtered search immediately starts editing prior to the token name. So I'll demo that. It's something that you may have run into. It's fairly easy to discover. If you click X on any label here, if I click X, it jumps into editing the label previous. The workaround here is to just click type bug again and hit enter, but that's frustrating. Whenever you click the X, it should just leave the label to its left alone, or the token to its left alone. So we will prioritize, even though this is mostly discovery and action plan for the whole of it, we will prioritize that one bug and try to get that one out to customers. So that's it from a high level. Component migrations and a few frustrating UX experiences on the filter bar. And those are our focus for 14.9.